Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Firstly, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto brightness is now on. But you can always turn it off by clicking on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!